In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through TurboTax Online for the 2024 tax year. This guide will take you through some essential steps to help you make the most of the platform's functionalities. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to visit the TurboTax Online 2024 website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the site address. Once you're on the home page, you'll be ready to begin exploring the available options and features. First off, find the Deductions and Credits section. This area is critical as it helps you identify opportunities to save money on your taxes by identifying deductions and credits that you might qualify for. Click on this section to proceed. After entering the Deductions and Credits area, your next move is to look for the Review Edit button. This functionality allows you to comb through your entries, ensuring everything is correctly inputted and reflective of your financial reality. It's important to verify your details to avoid errors that could complicate your tax filing. Next, let's shift our focus to another pivotal section, the Wages and Income area. Clicking here will take you to a page where you can input or review income sources such as salaries, dividends, and other income streams. Accurately entering this information is crucial as it lays the groundwork for tax calculations and potential refunds. Now let's return to the Deductions and Credits section. It's vital to ensure that you've covered all bases, so navigate back if you need to make further assessments or add more details. Take your time with this section to ensure you maximize any potential savings. Among other options, you'll find the section on disasters, theft, and other property loss or damage. Click on this link to enter relevant details if you've experienced any such situations. This is an area that might offer significant tax relief, so be sure to explore it fully. Reiterate this process if needed to clarify or add additional information related to property loss or damages. Once you've detailed all necessary